particular, the laws of the soca, all protocols observed, recognized all my colleagues from Parliament. Ma'am, Winnie, my name is Edwin Sipuna. I'm the Senator of Nairobi and the DSG of Nairobi. We are both in my capacity as an individual on behalf of the party and the party leader who say the loss of your husband. We assure you that we are together. Of course, I'm a bit too young to have known you personally. I understand that first head of Parliament through the LDP, which is one of the predecessor parties of ODM, by election, I think it was 2004, after Global Being died. And I have had a conversation with my party leader this afternoon. He is the one who had informed me that he had come to your house or your home to say Pauline. So, on my own behalf, on behalf of the people of Nairobi, on behalf of the entire party, the National Secretariat, and on behalf of my party, I just want to reiterate our condolences to you and your entire family, and to assure you of our support. You spoke very well here, and my party leader has assured me that you've also spoken about many other things, that even when this journey is complete, there are things that we will still need to stand by each other so that we are able to assuage the situation. So we are fully aware of the situation as it is. Let us conclude this particular process, and I can assure you that we will remain available for you, because you know the discussion that you've had with my party leader. So I don't want to go beyond that. Just to say, Paul, yes, sure. She has asked to say something. Maybe I've told her memory something.
Sorry to interrupt, my apologies. I need to say this. His Excellency Raila, after this happened, when he visited us, we told him about the problem we were having with the bill, and he assured us